Hi, I'm MMA, soft furniture and sewing tutor. I run workshops and write sewing tutorials, passing on my skills and inspiring other homemakers. One of the key stitches I use in my popular Roman blinds workshop is the Serge Stitch, so I've created a mini video for you to remember how to do it. You can play it over and over again until you've cracked it. So we're going to start our sewing with a French knot to secure the thread. And I'm going to start with that French knot about 7 or 8 centimetres down from the top of the interlining layer here. And we want our serge stitching to be sitting in a channel close to this raw edge and not encroaching on this bit of fabric. So to do a French knot, doing one small stitch and leaving the tail of the thread hanging out. Then going back over with another small stitch in the same place. And then picking up this single end of cotton from the front rather than the double end from the back. And wrapping it around the needle 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Dragging those loops down and then pulling the needle through. So you end up with a really nice, tight, secure, small knot, and then you can cut off this thread. So now we're going to begin the serge stitch. So the whole time you're aiming to just pick up this top layer of fabric and the interlining underneath. We don't want to be coming through to the visible front part of the blind. So I'm going to jump forwards about 4 or 5 centimetres and do another sideways stitch from right to left and pull the thread through. I'm going to jump forwards again by the same distance, do another sideways stitch and pull it through. And again, jumping and a single stitch. So you end up with something that's in a zigzag formation. Quite big stitches, and you're travelling and covering ground quickly. And then you can remove your pins as you go. And it's worth having a little look every now and then just to make sure that nothing's coming through to the front. And then you're going to stop just before you reach this top folded edge. And you're going to secure it with another French knot. So you're doing a single stitch, just a small one from right to left. And then you are going back over with another stitch in the same place and winding that single thread underneath the needle and round 1, 2, 3, 4 times, sliding it down, pulling the needle through so you've got a nice tight knot there. And then you're just going to sink the needle down in between all the layers just to pull that loose end in and hide it, and then you can cut it off. I hope that helps you remember that stitch. And if you'd like more information about learning to make Roman blinds professionally, then look at my website for full details of the online workshop.